Yeah. So I just got home and this is what I found at the Goodwill for $3.99. I could not believe it. I mean, I thought $3.99, all right. It's just this right here. Nothing else comes with it. But then I seen this bag right here, which was in the same toy section, but they were not close to each other. And that's when I made the assumption that this was gonna be from this. So I had to Google a picture to make sure that the Ultimate Garage was this one. And so I did, and well, for $3.99, that's really not. I can't complain. I know it's gonna be missing parts, but it is what it is. We'll see what all comes with it. So yeah, we'll see how it all comes up together. Which all pieces I did get and which ones I'll be missing. And take a look at this one too. This one for $1.99, and it's got some cool features. You can see it lights up, and this is a different mode. And if you press the back here and let it wait for like a couple seconds, it will probably spin. I think that's how it works. Cálmate. Wow. Espérense. A ver, vamos a poner ahí que se vaya solo. Ready, set. Wow. I also, in the same store, found these cars. Let me see if I can put them over here. Well, this one he's trying to show you. Espérame. Felipe. He's trying to show you that these ones were from another store, Savers. This one is a bigger scale. ¿Quieres este? Hold on. And then this is mira, 65 Impala. Very nice. Matte black with the green flames. These are the Hot Wheels that I found, and you know, they're 5 for $1 and 10 for $1.50 or something like that. So I got 15 in here. Mira, un guau. Dáselo, Agustín. And yeah, I mean, these ones have paint. Está bien. These ones have paint, so I'm gonna have to like work with those. And I'll see what all I can remove from the paint. ¿Quieres el helicopter? Okay. So there was the helicopter. Oh, take a look. This is the. He's trying to show you the helicopter. Ponlo aquí, ahorita lo ponemos ahí, okay? And like I said, it's just paint. But those of you who are JDM will know what this is. Yeah. I mean, it's just. Oh man, if I could get rid of the paint without damaging the actual car paint, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, AE86. And also Mustang. This is what year is this, man? Mustang Cobra. Alright, Mustang Cobra. This is a Corvette. Be careful. This one was just to fill in the bag, because I only had quite a few. But there you have it, and take a look at this. This is the Ford Fairlane GT. Very nice. Fairlane written on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's written there. And of course they are damaged. Shh, cálmate. And take a look at this one. This one is just paint all over it, but this is the Porsche GT3 RS. So yeah, hopefully I can get the paint rid of, cause take a look, man. I don't know if I can show you. Yeah, this is a Matchbox, but yeah, there is a lot of paint. And let's see, this one is cool. Another to fill in. This one, the light stays on and it turns off. The previous one just stayed on while you pressed. Take a look at this one. This one is nice. This is the M3. And this one right here is the Tesla. It's like a gray. And the last one is the 24/7. But yeah. ¿Quieres verlo aquí? Ponlo en la cámara. Así, mira. Like I said, it's just paint all over it, but I'll try and get the paint out of it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. I don't know exactly. Let me just go ahead and open that bag. Dame ese, mira. Vamos a abrirlo. And see what all we come up with. ¿Lo quieres abrir tú? Ayúdame pues. Quítale el tape. Alright, let me just help my little one. And so I partially opened this. So there's this yellow base or whatever that is. And the second one, there's these well, I don't know exactly where they go, but this is all that came with it. There's the little track, which I have plenty of these ones. There's this right there, and there's a second one. There's a track that turns, and two more or three. I don't know how many pieces. Oh, I think it's just the one piece actually. But there it is, and there's this yellow, or I mean gray one, and you have like a base and the ultimate garage. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and get it out real quick, and I'll get to assemble it. Alright, so I got everything out. From what I could see, this is supposed to swirl somewhere around this. This might be missing one of the one of these, but let's see. Yeah, I better take a look at the picture because I don't know exactly what goes what. So I'm gonna look at the picture, and based on that, I'm gonna see if I can put one in one. But yeah. Alright, so this is pretty much what I came up with. So you got the ultimate garage. You got this little, it's missing pieces, of course. Like I said, I mean, what do you expect for $3.99? This one goes in here, and that comes up to the first level. And also has the top, and that's how they go down over here and to a track. Got the track He's got like 40 feet of track and more cars. So that's pretty much what I got him these for, so he could store some cars up here, you know what I mean? But so this would pretty much go in. Let me just put the blue ones, the blue pieces, and then I'll show you pretty much how he's gonna play with. Alright, so yeah. Wow, son muchos. He's got monster trucks. Monster trucks. Wow, tienes muchos. Yeah, he's got quite a lot, if you ask me. And so yeah, he just likes, he likes and enjoys playing with this. Mira este, ¿cómo se llama? Monster Truck. Se llama el Toro Loco. This is the McDonald's version. And so yeah, but yeah, the little one's seen them, so he wants to play with them. But anyways, toma. This is what I came up with. This is my, I mean, I know it's incomplete, but this is what I could make the most out of it. It is missing the back, which is the most important piece that I would like to get. It's just the back piece that supports the levels. But I'll probably figure something out, you know, make my own version of that. Other than that, it does have the one that has the race. Mira, pon aquí, el ready set go. ¿Vas a jugar aquí el ready set go o no? Prétale ahí. And so yeah, I mean, like I said, I got quite a lot of track, and so that's how you can put the exits or just more track, which is 40 feet. And yeah, the one that is kind of gonna be hard was gonna be the loops. No, not the loops, but the curbs. But I think we do have, they're somewhere in the garage, but we do have like 2 pieces that are curved. So other than that, that just comes down there, and we'll probably make it curve a little bit more and then just exit it. I mean, it is missing like a shark piece that was gonna go in here, and it is also missing something over here, which I don't know what it was, and just a couple little pieces. And there's the gas station, and we saved, or I placed this car right here. Yeah, but the best one that I hadn't showed you, which we got a Savers. Yeah, take a look at this Skyline. This one we got a Savers a while ago. But yeah, I mean, that's it. I don't know what this does, but it does have a function. Wow, oh, chocó. So we need to put the batteries in, and I think it has to do with this, or a sensor or somewhere over here. But yeah, and mira, este va así, mira. Pon un carrito aquí. So this is the function of it. Mira, y apriétale aquí abajo. Así, bájalo tú. Mira. And so that it clicks and it goes to all the levels. Uh-oh. Pásamelo. And so it does the same function on this side. It pretty much goes in. Mira, vamos a ver aquí. You want to try again? And then it just goes level 1, level 2, and then you just park it. But like I said, the main piece that I'm gonna be trying to make myself or something It's gonna be the support of the levels. But that's it. I mean, I'm pretty sure he's gonna have fun with it. We'll probably go and take it to the park or even the backyard or the front yard. And then he's just gonna play with it. A ver, ¿lo pongo yo? Let's put this baby back, cause yeah. A ver. Okay. Wow. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna continue playing with this. And yeah, I'm gonna try and get the curves and yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We're definitely hunting. We're working out some trades. But yeah, man, this is just my biggest concern. Also, how to get the paint. I don't know if it's acrylic or what kind of paint is this, but we'll see. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, stay tuned, and hope you guys like the video. Yeah, peace out.